Today I want to talk about gas. Yeah, gas. I don't want to speak gas because I want everybody to understand what I'm about to share. Yeah, gas really are lovely. Gas are really lovely. And when you want to understand them with your own understanding, you will not understand. Gas are really precious. They are special. Gas can't really show you how much they love you. But when you sit back and you think into their actions, you see the definition of love. The definition of love. Some people may say that gas are fools because they have their own reasons, saying that they sometimes, not sometimes, they sell or they rent their place, their apartment to the foreigners and they sleep outside, which makes them fools, right? But it's love. It's love. How many gas do you know? And you can tell that they always want to make the foreigner feel comfortable. Yeah. Why do we learn other languages? Why? I'm a guy. Why do we learn other languages? You can go to other places that is outside Accra, and when you are speaking Ga, they will tell you that here we don't speak Ga. They will tell you that they don't speak Ga here. But then, Gas speaks other languages. Because we want the foreigner to feel at home. Yeah. Even if sometimes the old ladies, they can't speak the tree, but they try. And it's funny. They speak. They try to speak. It doesn't mean we are fools. I want us to appreciate gas. Yeah, I want us to appreciate gas. Last time I listened to one story of this gentleman is my friend, and he told me how his father came here, and when his father came, he came and one guy person gave the father a place to stay, and now the father has worked and has bought a land on the Gan land and has built on the Gan land. Wow. He came nothing, but now he's having a land. How many guys can go outside Accra to purchase a land and it will be possible? Even if it will be possible, it wouldn't be that easy. We have to appreciate gas. Yeah. Yeah. Acknowledge what we have. Yeah, we have a heart full of love. Yeah. Sometimes some people may say that guys, they don't know how to talk. Yeah, this is us. Even if we don't know how to talk. You being part of us. Now you've left your place and you are staying with us. Now we are family, okay? Let's appreciate gas. Let's appreciate gas. Okay? Gas are lovely. And they love. Last time I was thinking about it and I said that the language that should dominate should be Ga, because majority of other places are all in Ghana, in Ghana land. Yeah, in Accra. You see, and when you think about it, let me make you laugh small. When you go to the francophones country, they speak French. When you go England, they speak English. When you come to Ghana, we have Ghana. You know, so we should all speak Ghana. just by the way. But if you are in Ghana, we love you. We love you. Yes. If you are already speaking Ghana, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yeah, some people learn are also good at it. They have really learned the Ghana and all that. Now you are part of us. You are doing business in Accra. Together, let's promote the Ghana. Yeah, we can do it. Let's promote the Ghana. Ghans are peaceful. They are really peaceful. Yeah, Ghana. You see that Ghana is peaceful. Yeah, um, every person in Ghana knows Accra, and if Accra is basa basa, you can tell. Accra is very peaceful. Even though we have bad things, but it's really peaceful. Let's work together and appreciate the Ghans by learning their language. Yeah, staying with Ghans and not learning. Why? Let's appreciate the Ghans by learning their language. Thank you very much. And I'm a Ghan. My name is Nuumoashitey, and I love you. I would like you to learn the Ghan, and let's promote the Ghan, because Ghans have really impacted a lot of lives positively all around Ghana, all over. Yeah, thank you. And I'm proud. I'm proud of who I am. I'm proud that I'm coming from Ghana. Yes, we don't travel, but we can speak Twi. We don't travel, but we can speak Twi and all that. But you have traveled to our place and you don't speak Ga. Why? Thank you very much for your time. I love you. Yes, I love you. And I know you do the right thing. Thank you once again. This is Nuumoashitey from Ghana, Accra, Ghana. Thank you.